So I always describe the mouth as a machine or a car. And if you lose a wheel on a car, you're not going to drive around with 3 wheels. And if you choose to do that, that car is going to break down pretty quick. And that's the same analogy I use for your mouth if you don't replace a missing tooth. You're not going to see it right away, but within time, the damages can be pretty detrimental. That's when a dental implant comes into play as the best option for replacement of a single missing tooth or multiple missing teeth. The ability to regain full function, regain the confidence and the ability to smile without hiding or blocking anything, but more importantly, to predictably replace the broken down or missing tooth is where the dental implant really has come in and provided a great service for multiple patients on a daily basis in our practice. What we encourage here at our practice is that we are knowledgeable about what that decision is going to do for you, and we make sure that you're aware of the consequences. And in this particular case, choosing no for the dental implant could mean a lot more cost, expenses, and discomfort in the future. So we try to be upfront with that education and help the patient make the best decision possible, for sure.